Hey guys, and welcome to Behind the Yellow Door this week. It is Sunday afternoon, and it just hit us all that we have not prepared for Behind the Yellow Door this week. We're actually in the middle of inventory. As you can see, I've got stuff kind of everywhere. James is using the scanner and going around counting everything. Catherine, Priscilla, and I have been in the back room cleaning and organizing, so everything looks really good for the new year. But I did want to hop on here real quick and tell you guys, we are going to be creating a sales section that'll be on our website. It'll probably be Wednesday before that is ready. So I hope you'll all check that out. In the meantime, we've got lots of new arrivals that are just kind of rolling in, and we're going to be posting those on Instagram and Facebook. And also, we've got some fun events already scheduled for 2021. And those we'll be announcing here shortly. We've just got some final details to work out on several of those events. But we hope that you all have had a fantastic first few days of January of 2021. And we hope that this year is better than ever. Y'all have a great week ahead.